In this video, I will give demonstration on array, which we have learned in whiteboard session. So first of all, declaration of an array. I will declare an array with name A, and for array we have to use a square bracket. This is a single dimension array. So after this, you can say new integer of size, let us say 10. So this creates an array of size 10. Here A is the reference of an array, and the new means an object is created in heap. So what is heap, we will learn later. So this is an object and A is a reference to it. Let us look at another method of declaring as well as initializing an array. So you can give one dimension, this B is a reference. Now directly I'll give an array with values, 5 values I have given. So now what will be the size? I did not mention the size. So size will be same as the size of the list we are initializing. Then third method, I can just declare a reference. Then to that reference, I can assign a array of object size 10. So these are the three different methods of declaring or initializing an array. Now more about declaration. I can use square brackets before the name of an array also. New int of size 5. So this is also valid. And even these square brackets can be used just after int and the space is given here. This is same whether you write square bracket just after int or in front of d, both are same only. And also you can give square bracket after a reference. Both the syntax for giving square brackets are valid. I will remove this. Now let us see how to access the elements of an array. I have an array B in which some elements are there. I want to change this value 3 to 15. So what is the index of this one? This is 0 and this is 1 and this is 2. So I can say B of 2 assign 15. So the value will be changed. So by using reference and using subscript, we can access any location or the element at that location. Now let us display all the elements of this array A. So for displaying, I told you that we use for loop for integer I assign 0, I is less than. Every array object will have its attribute, that is length, I plus plus. So we say property or attribute, then print the values. So I will say A of I. This will print all the values. Here we have just declared an array, it is not initialized. So by default it will be initialized with zeros. Already I told that. So let us run the program and see what will be displayed here. Yes, all zeros. So we know that all these will be initialized with 0. Now instead of A, I will try to print B. So here I should give B dot length and here I will change it to B. Let us run it. I should get the element 1, 2, 15, 4, 5. So actually I have initialized 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here I have modified B of 2 to 15. So in place of 3, it is changed to 15. So by using for loop, we can display all the elements. Now let us try another loop. I have explained you. For each loop. So for each loop is written like this: integer x, some variable name x, colon, array name. So I will give the name B because in B I have some elements. Now here I will print x. Let us run this. Yes, it is printing all the elements of an array B. So this is how for loop is also used for accessing all the elements of array B. Now while printing, after printing the value, I will increment it. So let us check whether it will modify this array elements B. So they should become 2, 3, 16, 6, 5 and 6. So after printing all these elements as well as incrementing them, I will print the same array once again. So I have copied it, so I will paste it here. So first time while traversing, I am printing as well as increasing them. The next time I am just printing them. Let us see whether these values will be modified or not. No, they are not modified. They remain same 1, 2, 15, 4, 5. So this means by changing this x, we cannot change the elements of an array. We cannot change. So for each loop is used only for reading the elements from this one. If we want to modify these values, then we should use counter controlled for loop. So let us do it using counter control for loop. So integer I assign 0, then I is less than b dot length I plus plus. Here then here I should say b of I and also plus plus. Now next time when I am printing using for each loop, I should get incremented values. Yes, first time it was 1, 2, 15, 4, 5, and second time the values are 2, 3, 16, 5, 6. That's how. So you can modify them using counter control. By using for each, just you can read the values. Let us try a few more things. I will remove this. Can I simply print an array B? Will it print all the elements? I will not use for loop, just I will say println B. What will be displayed? Let us check. Oh, it is not printing all the elements. So for printing all the elements, we should use for loop. What is this? It is showing some code. So this square bracket, maybe it resembles, that is it's an array. That is, it is an array, and I may be a integer type. It's an integer type. So let us check. I will change this type and make it float, then run once again. Oh yes, I means integer, F means float, and this is square bracket for single dimension array, and there is some code for this array, single dimension array. So we cannot print all the elements by just using array name. We have to use loop. Now one more thing, I want to check the length. Can I print the length? So we know the length is 5. Yes, length is 5. So that's all about single dimension arrays. So I suggest you practice these things. After watching this, you do it by yourself. So you get used to with it so that you can use it in the applications later.